Alrighty, what is up? We've got a trade recap here. So, before market open, I had marked out. Why is it so choppy now? That's weird. Anyway, so I'd marked out an obvious drawn liquidity I thought for today was these lows and this imbalance. Yeah, same thing, boom, imbalance. We then marked out on the 15-minute how we could get there. We had 15-minute equal highs on ES, and Q had 15-minute highs here, and then these 15-minute highs formed after this candle closed. And what happened, we didn't take out any pre-market highs on either index. We just came completely down to these lows. We swept out hourly lows, these 4-hour lows, filled this 4-hour imbalance on ES. And then I was just waiting to see a 5-minute break of structure, or 5-minute inverse fair value gap, and then a third confluence. And I was waiting for a long time. And then at 11:15, I just called it a day. I don't like taking trades after that time, really. It just doesn't feel right. Move's already happened. This was the move. We didn't take a trade today, and that's absolutely fine. I am not fussed with that at all. If market came up and took up these 15-minute highs, I'm looking for 1-minute shorts down to these high time frame lows to draw on liquidity. If we came down here and we got a 5-minute, we started forming 5-minute structure, then I would have looked for longs. As you can see, made a high, lower high, lower high, lower high. We've made a higher high now on the 5-minute, and we're getting that 5-minute structure forming now. ES has inversed a 5-minute imbalance here, and again we haven't made a higher high on ES yet, so there's not really bullish structure forming yet. We are getting that, you can say, third confluence of these 5-minute equilibrium, you could say, constantly getting hit and pushed off of. NQ is now making that 5-minute higher high, so forming bullish structure, has not inversed an imbalance or broke structure yet, but it is filling confluences like this 1-minute fair value gap, 5-minute equilibrium, and this 5-minute order block as this whole candle moved down. So you could say, all right, boom, we filled this imbalance, we filled the 5-minute order block, we filled 5-minute equilibrium, we've just inversed that imbalance on the 1-minute. You could say, right, there's our entry to go long finally after all this time. You could say that's the trade, and then you can take profits at these highs. Whether this works out, who knows? I might just leave this on here just to see, but maybe that's finally the trade that we take after forming that 5-minute retrace and structure. Oh damn. So, but it's past the time I'm comfortable taking a trade. It's 4:30 UK time. It's 11:30 at New York time. It's past the time that I'm comfortable taking trades, and that's fine. No trades taken for me today. Just did not like what I was seeing through all of this. Yes, there probably was moves, but there was no low resistance liquidity sweep after market opened that made me want to look for shorts, and then there was no 5-minute structure being formed until now at 11:15, which is just not really what I want to be doing. ES now is also getting legs up. That is probably the trade that would be. It just didn't happen soon enough. It didn't happen early enough for me to want to take it, which is completely fine. But that is, you could call it a market recap for today. So I did not take any trades. New month, September. Yeah. Awesome. Catch you in the next one.